Okay guys, we got a 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe here, and we've got a no spark. It's a crank no start. So we've already pulled this coil off here. There's no spark, no spark, no spark. And these coils, of course, share with both cylinders. So I want to show you something on all data real quick. You can go ahead and start replacing that. So when we hit all data here, all three ignition coils and the condenser have one thing in common. This ignition failure sensor, and then it says it's at the rear of the engine. I'll show you where that's located. So when that fails, you lose spark to all three of these. So if you look right at the back of the engine here, this is where it's located. And I'll show you the old one here. This is what it looks like. So there's one pigtail and there's two 10mm bolts. There's a metal clip there that looks kind of shaped like a horseshoe that you'll have to put on or pull off and put on. That's the one he just stuck on right there. You're gonna pull that clip and then unplug the pigtail and then the two 10mm bolts. So he's gonna go ahead and set both 10mm bolts back in there. We'll get those tightened up. This is a common issue on these 3.5s. It's not just the Santa Fe's. If you have any 3.5 and you have a crank no start, you want to check this out. Providing you have the crank no start with no heat to the coils. So you can unplug the coil or do an oil test on the coil. And if you don't have any spark there after doing an oil test as well, you may want to check and make sure you have power at the coil. So no power at the coil, that's when you're going to change this sensor. So he's got both those snugged up. Go ahead. And there you have it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.